and I am here today to talk to y'all about dot plots. Dot plots are a whole lot of fun, and really all dot plots are is a way to visually represent data. So, for example, if I had these digits listed, and what they are is they are the number of goals that my nephew has scored in the past 7 games. So we have a 5. He scored 5 goals the first game, 2 goals the second game, 1 goal the next game, 5 goals the next game, 3 goals, and then 2 goals in his last game. He rocked it out and he scored 6 goals. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a visual representation of these digits. And what we're going to do is, the first step is we're going to draw a number line. Very simple. And then I'm going to label my number line, and I'm going to do that by looking at what is the least number listed, and looking very quickly I can see that it would be 1. So I'm going to start with 1, and then I'm going to look at what my greatest number listed is, and looking, it's a 6. So I know 6 will be my last digit, and so I'm going to go by ones in this case since there are not that many digits. Okay, so there you have it. Now I have to represent the digits above. For example, I'm going to start with my smallest number, again my least number. That would be my 1, so I'm going to circle it because I'm about to use it, okay? And then the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to put a dot right above my 1 to represent that there is only one listed. That's kind of, my dot is because it's a dot plot, okay? Now I'm done with my 1s. Looking at my 2s, I see 1, 2 2s. So I'm going to put 1, 2 dots because I'm showing the frequency that this number occurs in my list above, and that would be 2 times. Okay, let's see here, 3. I have 1 3. And then looking here, I don't have any 4s at all. And then I have 2 5s. 1, 2. So I'm going to put 2 dots to represent my 2 5s listed above in my set of data. And then I have 1 6. And that is how you would represent the data listed above on a dot plot. Okay, so now that I have gone over dot plots, I want to give you a little challenge to do. Here is your dot plot challenge. These are the grades that a student made on test for 9 weeks. We have a 95, 90, 88, 90, 95, 90, and an 87. And what I've done is I've already created my number line to represent the digits. So this is my least digit represented above, and this is my greatest digit. And then I'm giving you a dot plot challenge. And what I would like for you to do is I would like for you to draw this first. So list the digits above, then create your number line, and then I would like for you to plot each dot where it should belong on our dot plot. Okay, guys? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you to please pause this video for just a minute so that you can do the directions that I just set. So you're going to list out the digits, and here if you want to pause it, I'll keep it up here so you can pause it and look at everything. And then you're going to then draw your number line and then put your dots for your dot plot. So if you don't mind, pause real quick, create your dot plot, and then you can push play to see if you did it correctly. Thank you, guys. So make sure you pause it. Okay, so hopefully you paused the video, and now we can check to see if you did your dot plot correctly. So looking here, we'll start with 87. There was 187 listed. So I have 1 dot. There was 188 listed, so I have 1 dot. No 89s, but then 90, I have 1, 2, 3 90s because he scored a 90 on his test 3 times. No 91s, 92s, 93s, and 94s, and then I have 2 95s because 2 were listed in my set of data. So really quickly, I can see that the score that he made on his test that occurred the most would be a 90. There's all sorts of things I could answer by looking at this dot plot. So I hope this helps you have a better understanding of this concept, and I hope that it can help